Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Kamairang police station kalayo daga jingtho dawa jingyaram. Haga khat pratrik unailar halor ka jingja ngai jong ka samla kynthei ka bakhat news nem. Kamis riba yahun marngan na permadan village eastern west Khasil district. Karkum ka jing ujor ka samla kala ja ngai na du ka khat santrik unailar. Hakapor kumbash po bujimin stem na kadukan haper madan hakabakatri. La kenoru bakala syara bor ha uthom bor lang sopo na dum village hadu menta patip shu satya ye ki jakasa jongki. Ki pulit kila register ka kes Mairang PS case number 8218 2025 hapo ka kendon 1371B2 jongka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS Arhajar Arfulai bakajing toget karangyat Shakman. Superintendent of Police Eastern West Khasil District Mairang ula kentu patba belada dan manu batip khubor kin sngo baha pentip syaka mobile number Nriu not khendai lai not pra khendai san khendai.
Hello Meghalaya turns
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.